You are seeing this video because you searched for a Visby review, which means you've finally realized a terrifying truth about 2026. Traditional SEO is dying, and AI chatbots are stealing your traffic. Your customers aren't Googling anymore. They're asking ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. And right now, those AIs are recommending your competitors, not you. You're bleeding leads because you have zero visibility inside these language models. Enter Visby. This isn't just another keyword tracker. It's an AI visibility engine that tells you exactly what to do to make AI chatbots love your brand. It turns the black box of AI search into a predictable revenue stream. Here's the exact workflow to hijack AI recommendations. Step 1. Plug your domain into Visby. It instantly tracks where and how you're being mentioned across ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Step 2. Click the Competitor Benchmark tab. Find out exactly which prompts are triggering your rivals so you can steal their positioning. Step 3. This is the goldmine. Visby auto-generates prioritized GEO tasks. It literally writes the content briefs and tells you exactly what to fix on your site to force the AI to cite you next time. Normally, enterprise GEO tools cost thousands a year. Visby's standard pricing is nearly $1,000, but right now you can grab a lifetime license on AppSumo for a one-time payment of just $59. That is a 94% savings to future-proof your business. Normally, enterprise GEO tools cost thousands a year. Visby's standard pricing is nearly $1,000, but right now you can grab a lifetime license on AppSumo for a one-time payment of just $59. That is a 94% savings to future-proof your business. Don't let your competitors monopolize AI search. Click the link in the description or pinned comment right now to secure the Visby lifetime deal before it sells out and start getting recommended by AI today.